Hey everybody, we are live on YouTube. We're getting ready to do a little competition here. The boys are all set to practice. We got the vans loaded in the background and everybody's done a T-joint and we're getting ready to have a little grade off. So without further ado, we're gonna do it. You hold. Here we go. See who's who. So I can't see any of the names. We'll start right here. We got best, better, good. So it's good, better, best. Best, better, good, and then we got Joe. That's Joe. Okay, I don't know who this is, but it's got two sides. We're only supposed to have one side. Do I have any one-sided, or they're all two sides?
They're all two.
Okay, well, we'll look at the best side then. I don't know who this is. Nice consistent bead. I don't see any undercut. Nice start, nice stop, nice restart. Undercut. I'd say this one is high side of best. Next one, we got a little bit of a hickey, a little dish on the restart. What do we got? Looks good, no undercut. Nice, even, consistent bead. Looks like the right size. One little piece of undercut there. It's not very clean. Not a little piece, but nothing that would bump you out yet. No porosity. Whoever did this, you're dirty. I see slag in here. If you're turning in welds to a competition like this, you're probably not going to pass a visual. It's just not showing. Not showing your best work. This is a nice big fat bead. It's laying down in there. Boy, it's favoring that bottom, but I don't think it's enough to get you out. It's a little fat in the middle, a little thin on the ends. But the beautiful thing is I'm not seeing that undercut that seems to kill everybody. So that's a nice weld. Little bit, very slight undercut. I almost don't know if that wouldn't even be counted. Beautiful. But I'm gonna put you on the low side of best. Should I look at this side? What, one? Is that my cue?
One
number
is the
one?
first one that was done. No,
I just want to see one weld. Which one should I look at? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Look at 4. Okay. All right. Nice even bead. Are you getting some pictures of these beads?
No.
Yeah. Make sure you film the beads. I want these beads.
How do you switch the camera?
You can't flip it.
You can.
Not while it's recording.
I think you can.
I thought so too.
Well, just film it here. Just catch this.
I thought you could.
And then just
But don't put it in front of me.
somebody hit that white button for him.
No, don't hit no buttons.
Or no, it's
Just don't hit button, come on.
That takes a photo.
Dude, you're messing up my video. Okay. I'm so impressed. We're 4 for 4. We got no undercut. That's the nemesis. Oh, there's a little bit right there. Right there, my light's on it. That's the nemesis of the T-joint, is the undercut. I got see 1, 2 little pieces, but if they're not, if you got less than 1 little piece every inch, you might pass, but I see probably just a little too much. So we're gonna put this down. It's not quite Joe, but it's good. What else we got?
I think that's the last one.
All right, last one. Here we go. You kind of looks like where you started. You started on the high side. You got your rod angle, made an adjustment, got straight. Now you got fat in the middle. Then you thinned it out. You got your travel speed. A lot of corrections done. All positive corrections. No undercut throughout on the bottom. No undercut throughout on top. You know, it's ugly. And I see a little lack of fusion there on the bottom, but it's tiny. Really ugly, but to be honest, it might pass. So we'll put you like on you got a little tip in best. Is that it? What are these?
From yesterday.
From yesterday? Okay, so let's see who our best welder of the day is. LG, Lisandro, right here. Lisandro, number 1. HS, who's HS? Hector Sanchez. And we got JT, who's JT? Joe. Oh, look, we got who's this? Who's this? Cavallo? Who's this? Stop. Okay, we're gonna change this. Chris. So we got best, better, good, and Chris. Where's Cavallo? Where's your welder? This yours? Yeah, Cavallo. I'd say if you'd come to practice yesterday, you'd be doing a lot better. Cavallo. All right, show me. Ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned. Tomorrow we're going to be broadcasting live from the welding event in Navasota, Waller County Fair.